Alright everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I'll be explaining a new trade which I took. So the name of the stock is Asian Paints. So without any further delay, let's get into the trade and why did I took, my reasons, my analysis and my game plan for this trade. So basically the name of the stock is Asian Paints Limited. So this is a very simple and very clear setup. So let me remove all the trend lines and everything. So as you can see, it is a simple, beautiful support and resistance setup. If I remove all the drawings and everything, it's simple. You can see it was trading in this zone for quite a long time now. Actually, I'll mark this zone because it was not able to break out. It did give a breakout, but it was not able to sustain it here. So it was kind of a false breakout, but as you can see right here, even if it broke out and retested the levels, it did not go down, right? So basically what happens is whenever there's a fake breakout, it goes lower, right? So in this case it did not go lower, so it means that it has strength in it, right? Basically when this happened, I got aware and I was tracking the stock. When this gave a breakout, I was still tracking the stock because I didn't know if it was a fake breakout or a genuine breakout. The volume seemed good, so that was one plus point. But after a couple of days, I knew it was going to retest sooner or later. So whenever it would retest, I'll just enter here, right? So this was my entry zone and this is exactly where I entered. My entry is somewhere around this area, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, my entry is around 3000. So I'll just put in 3000 here. Yeah, so this is my entry, which is 3000, around 3000. So if I go on to 15-minute time frame, so basically what I did is, let me just remove this indicator. It is just for a back testing some strategy in forex. So I also trade forex markets as well. I'm kind of new in those markets, so I just trade with around 100 euros. But yeah, more on that in some another video. So basically, what happened is today I was watching this trade, and as we all know, it was just taking a retest, right? So this was my support area, and if I go into the smaller time frame, which is 15 minutes or even 1 hour is fine in these cases. So when the stock was going lower, what I simply did is, when this was happening, what I simply did is I just marked, or I just put a alert on 3000 level, because this was the exact level where this sharp up move came. So basically I knew that some buying would come at those levels if it were to retest, and that is what happened. Yeah, and that is what happened. As you can see right here on 15 minutes, basically the stock was falling in the first half approx till 2 p.m. and at 2 p.m. It gave a breakout, and this is exactly where I entered. So it kind of actually helps to put a alert, right? We can't track the stock 24/7. So what I do is I just mark my levels. Well, this would have been the perfect entry, but there was no confirmation, right? So why did I because see, as you can see, this was the counter trend line. If I had to draw it nicely, this was the counter trend line, and exactly at 2 p.m. this broke, and this is where I entered. Around 299.35 something is my average buying price, and my SL is around 2950. So approximately 50 rupees SL I have, so which is 1.65% of the stock, so it is nothing. This is what happens when you have a good entry point and a good setup. You know what your strong points are, you know what your weak points are, right? So as you can see right now, even if I took this trade today itself, which is a Friday, today's date is 9th August 2024, and it is a Friday, right? So I am currently sitting at 1:1 profit. So I was risking 49 rupees for this trade. Like 49 rupees was my SL for this trade, and I'm currently in an open PNL in a profit of 40 rupees, right? So I'm up approximately there. Like today itself at 2 p.m. I took this trade, and in 1 hour I was in 1:1 profit, right? So again, tomorrow Monday morning it could just open gap down and hit my SL. That is not the point. The point is you have to have a great or a good trading plan. You should know your strength, you should know your weakness in and out. You should know each and everything of your trading plan, that if this happens I'll do this, if it doesn't happen I'll do this. You should know each and every points of your trading plan. The trading plan is very essential. Most guys, most people, even me, in the earlier days, I didn't have a trading plan. I just woke up, okay, this looks good, it's at a support, let's just buy it, right? Even if why did I buy it here? Because I had my zone right here, right? And it gave me a confirmation. Even if the price was above this zone in a matter of let's say minutes, I wouldn't have entered it. I will just leave it because I know I have to enter at my zones only. That is my trading plan. It is as simple as that, guys, right? So as you can see currently, I'll just share with you my trading journal. So you can see right here, Asian Paints, my target is 3100 and my stop loss is 2950, as I said. So only 50 rupees stop loss. As you can see, 222, I took this trade with 20 quantities, and approximately 100 rupees charges was levied. So and my price is 299.35. So approximately 3000 is my buying price, and I'm currently sitting at a P&L of 1:1, right? So what more could I ask? So yeah, basically this is the trade. This was the analysis, and if you want to look at Nifty, Nifty is also at a good point. I wouldn't say this is a great point because there are too many gaps right here. Like this gap is yet to be filled, then this gap is yet to be filled. Like too many gaps, but yeah, I mean it still looks bullish because recently it was stuck in a zone, and today itself it gave a breakout of that zone. So kind of looks good, and I think I have a winner right here. But even if this goes sideways, or even if this goes to my SL, I have no worries because I know my trading plan. So tomorrow also it could go right here. So tomorrow it can create these kind of candles, right? And what can I do? I can do absolutely nothing about it. This is what most people need to understand. You can't do absolutely any shit about the stock. You can just buy it. You can just play according to your edge. That is what you can do. You need to improve your edge. That is one thing. But after you take a trade, just place your stop loss, place your target, and book whatever comes first. It's as simple as that. Most guys have complicated shit way too much, and simple things work in the market. Simple things should work in the market for you guys, right? Because complex thing, okay, I can name tens and thousands of indicators, but at the end price is going to do what it's going to do, right? So basically this is my trading plan, and I'll make a further update video on this stock if I exit, or if I partial book profits, or what I'll do, or even if it hits my SL, I have no worry absolutely at all, right? So maybe I'll just trail my SL regarding this trade. Let's see the opening on Monday, and then maybe I'll just trade my SL to break even or somewhere around this zone. So yeah, basically this was the trade, this was the plan, and I hope you guys learn something from these videos, because I know not many people watch my videos, like 2 or 3 people maximum watch my videos. But anyways, I hope you guys learn something out of these videos. So yeah, cheers.